The U.S. Army, in partnership with the Indiana National Guard, has achieved a major breakthrough in military innovation with the rapid deployment of the Low-Cost Uncrewed Combat Attack System, or LUCAS. In a striking demonstration of speed and efficiency, the system moved from a public demonstration to operational use in just 7 months, an exceptionally short timeline in defense development. Announced in April 2026, LUCAS represents more than just a new weapon. It signals a broader transformation in how the U.S. military designs, tests, and fields advanced technologies. Traditionally, new military systems can take years or even decades to become operational. However, LUCAS breaks that model, showing that critical capabilities can be delivered in months when urgency and innovation are aligned. The system was first unveiled in July 2025 during a Pentagon demonstration. By February 2026, it had already been deployed in real-world operations as part of Operation Epic Fury. This rapid progression was made possible by the T-REX, or Technology and Readiness Experimentation, framework. T-REX emphasizes iterative development, real-time feedback from operators, and close collaboration between engineers, soldiers, and procurement teams. At its core, LUCAS is a loitering munition, often referred to as a one-way attack drone. Developed by the U.S. company SpectraWorks, it is designed to fly over a target area for extended periods before striking with precision. The drone can reportedly operate for up to 6 hours, carry a payload of around 18 kilograms, and reach targets more than 350 nautical miles away. These capabilities allow LUCAS to conduct deep strike missions against high-value targets such as air defense systems, missile launchers, and command centers. During Operation Epic Fury, the system was used in coordinated strikes against Iranian military infrastructure, demonstrating its effectiveness as a low-cost force multiplier. One of the most significant advantages of LUCAS is its affordability. Unlike traditional manned aircraft or high-end unmanned systems, LUCAS is designed to be expendable or attritable. This means it can be used in large numbers without the same financial or strategic risk. By deploying swarms of these drones, commanders can overwhelm enemy defenses and increase the likelihood of mission success. Technologically, LUCAS integrates autonomous navigation, modular payloads, and network-enabled targeting. These features allow it to operate independently or as part of coordinated formations, including teaming with manned systems. This aligns with the U.S. Army's multi-domain operations concept, which emphasizes flexibility, survivability, and the ability to operate across land, air, sea, space, and cyber domains. The rapid development of LUCAS highlights the importance of the T-REX framework. Unlike traditional acquisition processes, T-REX prioritizes what the military calls the speed of relevance. This means focusing on delivering usable capabilities quickly rather than waiting for fully perfected systems. By testing prototypes in realistic environments and incorporating feedback from soldiers in near real time, T-REX ensures that systems like LUCAS are both practical and effective. The Indiana National Guard has played a key role in this process, serving as a testing ground where new technologies can be evaluated under operational conditions. This hands-on approach bridges the gap between concept and combat, accelerating the transition from development to deployment. From a strategic perspective, LUCAS represents a shift towards scalable and cost-effective warfare. In modern conflicts, especially against near-peer adversaries, the ability to deploy large numbers of affordable systems can be a decisive advantage. Rather than relying solely on expensive, high-end platforms, the U.S. military can now supplement its capabilities with versatile, lower-cost options. This shift also introduces new challenges for adversaries. The speed at which LUCAS was developed and deployed disrupts traditional expectations about U.S. procurement timelines. It creates uncertainty and forces opponents to adapt more quickly, potentially stretching their defenses and resources. Beyond its immediate battlefield applications, LUCAS also reflects changes in the defense industry. By working with non-traditional contractors, using rapid prototyping methods, and adopting flexible funding models, programs like TREX are reshaping how military technology is produced. This could influence future developments in areas such as counter-drone systems, electronic warfare, and other emerging technologies. Ultimately, the success of LUCAS demonstrates that speed, affordability, and operational relevance can coexist in modern military systems. It marks a turning point in how the U.S. Army approaches innovation, emphasizing rapid delivery and adaptability over long development cycles. As warfare continues to evolve, systems like LUCAS may become increasingly important. They offer a glimpse into a future where technological advantage is not just about sophistication, but about how quickly and effectively new capabilities can be brought to the battlefield. The battlefield is changing, and at the center of this shift are two drones: Iran's Shahed-136 and the US-developed Lucas. These loitering munitions represent a new kind of warfare, where victory depends less on advanced platforms and more on cost, scale, and persistence. This reality became clear during Operation Epic Fury in early 2026. US forces deployed Lucas in combat for the first time, while Iran continued using Shahed-136 drones in sustained attacks across the region. Both systems share a similar design: delta wings and rear-mounted propellers built for long endurance and difficult detection. But their roles differ. The Shahed-136 is designed for impact, carrying a larger warhead and reaching distances up to 2,000 kilometers. It excels in pre-planned, large-scale strikes against fixed targets. Lucas takes a different approach. With a smaller payload, it focuses on flexibility, supporting strike missions, reconnaissance, and communication roles. It can also integrate into a networked battlefield, allowing coordination and possible mid-flight adjustments. Cost is the key advantage for both. Each drone is relatively inexpensive, enabling mass deployment. This creates saturation warfare, overwhelming defenses and forcing enemies to use costly interceptors. The Shahed has already proven this strategy effective. Lucas is the US response, combining affordability with adaptability. Together, they signal a new era of warfare defined not just by power, but by scale, speed, and sustainability.